YouTube channel Elexys project, and today we will see a new hardware setup. Title name is 20 watts of single phase inverter. So you can see here's a title, here's a model on your screen. Okay, as you can see, okay, here are some loads, okay, for the demonstration purpose, and here's the main setup, and here's the battery to provide the power to the system. Okay, currently system is off, you can see. So let's see each and every components one by one. So you can see first is the main switch to turn on and off the entire system, and next is a power supply here. Okay, you can provide here from 10 volt DC to 15 volt DC as per the requirement. Okay, and here's two MOSFETs here, okay, to handle the inverter operation. Okay, you can understand. And this is the main transformer to step up 12 volt DC to the 230 volt AC power. Okay, and here is the LCD to display all the important parameters. Okay, here is a contrast adjustment knob, okay, this one. And next is a main brain of the system, that is my Arduino Microcontroller. Okay, and it is used to run handle entire operations, okay, allow the inverter. And here as you can see 7805 regulator IC, okay, because this and this ones require 5 volt of DC supplies, that's why we are using this. Okay, and here are 230 volt AC output outlet. Okay, and here the system, here students can write their name, okay, as per their group members name. Okay, and here is the system's name. Okay, and here student can write their guide name using the pen or pencil or any sketch here. Okay, and you can see also this LCD is also removable, okay, as per the study or maintenance purposes, as you can understand. Okay, so let's apply it again. And Arduino Nano is also removable for the maintenance or study purpose, you can understand. Okay, so let's place it again there. So now time to see its performance. So as you can see, here's a wire connected here, battery to the system. This is white wire is positive and this yellow wire is negative. Okay, and let's turn on the system using the main switch. So you can see name is appearing on the screen. Okay, and you can see duty cycle 60%, okay, and frequency is 50 Hz as per the Arduino code. Okay, so let's first put this, okay, load lamp. Okay, you consider it is a 10 to 12 watts of lamp. Okay, so we are going to place it on the holder. So you can see it is glowing. Okay, it is glowing clearly. Okay, and now let's place the another load. Okay, so you can see is consider to 1 to 4 watts of load. Okay, it's a small, okay, lamp. So you can see small lamp is also running. Okay, again you can see the fluctuation because of the camera. Okay, and lamp is not actually fluctuating. Okay, so you can see duty cycle is 60% and frequency 50 Hz. So you can see both of the loads are working fine. Okay, and as you can see, let's remove one load. Okay, you can see lamp is showing stable now because of the camera settings. Okay, and you can see duty cycle 60% and frequency 50 Hz. Okay, and let's put it again. So you can see both of the loads are running fine. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, if any student want to purchase this, let's see the back side of the system. Okay, so I'm going to turning it off. So you can see this is the back side of the system. These are the MOSFETs, this is the regulator, and this is the LCD section, and this is a junction, 5 volt junction, Arduino Nano, and 230 volt AC outlet. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. Take care.